if I talk about a technology, I have many dimensions in my mind. Like the future of technology in education first holds immense potential to revolutionize the way we learn, we teach, and we interact within environmental and education itself. With the rapid advancement in technology and its increasing integration into various aspects of our life, it is inevitable that education will significantly impacted in the coming years, for sure. And key factor of future of technology and in education is that personalized learning will going to take place very soon, and adaptive learning platforms where students can tailor their educational content and experiences to meet the individual needs and preferences for each and every student, because students also have their thought of mind that why I will sit from 9 to 5, I have my customized things. So obviously the direction towards education will go into this field, and through intelligent algorithms, data analytics, educational software which student can access easily, it is becoming strengths and weaknesses of a student, and they can learn through various styles by creating personalized learning paths and delivering content in a manner that maximize comprehension and engagement. Another crucial element which I think in technology will going to rise is online and remote learning. COVID-19, I'm sure all of are fortunate enough that we are sitting in 2023. It has taught everybody that adoption of online learning tools and platforms have definitely highlighted their potentials in everybody's life. You will also agree with that. And we have come far away from the traditional classrooms. The future of education will see a blend of in-person and online learning experience, providing students with more flexibility, accessibility, and opportunities for collaboration with peers from different geographic locations. Because sitting in a particular area, I'm getting an experience of a rigid platform. But if I go to that place, obviously my exposure or my potential is going to increase. And all are aware about virtual reality, augmented reality that has already poised to reshape the education. These immersive technologies can create stimulated environment and scenarios, enabling students to explore subjects in more interactive and experiential manner. So artificial intelligence will definitely going to play a significant role in shaping the future of education. AI, power bots, chatbots, virtual assistants, these days ChatGPT, it provides instant support and personalized feedbacks to students where they can enhance their learning experience. And the future of technology in education holds tremendous potential. It is important, obviously, to acknowledge the challenges that accompany by its implementation, but for sure, by the passage of time, everybody will learn.